Hi guys, welcome to the C++ project series. So this is a password generator. So basically we have, in this what we have to do is we have to ask the user for the length of the password and whether he needs numbers and special characters, etc., and then give him a password. So this is divided into 3 parts. So we'll be seeing the first part in this video. Let's get started. So first we're including all the header files from IOStream, string, CS standard that is standard library from C, and then include ctime. All right, so now after this we have the the function called generate password. So in this generate password we give the input as length, whatever the input of for that, it is length, and here we have certain strings. So first is the string character, that is basically it goes from A to Z, small a to small z, and then capital A to capital Z. These are all the alphabets that we can use in our password, followed by the numbers. So that is 0 to 9. These are the numbers that we can use in the password. One more is the special symbol, that is we have set of special symbols that can be used in the password. After that we have one empty, that is empty string, that is password. Using all this we have to generate the password here. Now here in this particular video we'll be generating passwords of length equivalent to 8, not more than 8, not less than 8, so equivalent to 8. So first what we will do is basically for the first 6 characters we'll be filling with random alphabets from this string character. First 6 out of the 8 would be random characters, that is only the alphabets. So basically we run a loop from I equal to 0 to I equal to 6, less than 6, and now you can see for this password we will be adding the whatever the password, previous password is empty, plus the string character using random library. So we get the random password, random character from this string character, and then it should be equal to the length. So basically until the length 6 we fill it with random alphabets, that is capital and small, includes both. We fill it with random alphabets. Now followed by, after that, now here the 7th number should be a number, the 7th character should be a number. We are not giving them option if they want number or not. Here we are taking it as a number. So the next password would be taking it from the string number, that is random from the string number series. After that again the 8th one would be a special character, so we'll taking it from the string special series, this one. So till now I hope you guys have understood. Now after that, return password. So now the password is in the form of 6 characters, 1 number, and then followed by 1 special character. All right, now then we have the main function. So here basically we have the to generate only one, so we have to set the seed random number generator. So because we want this to work only once, so we'll set the random generator. After that we have the string password, so generate password, and the input is 8 here, the given is 8, and then we see out the password, that is we print the password. Now let me run the program. Alright, so you can see here is the password what we got. The first 6 characters would be alphabets followed by a number and a special character. I'll run it again. So we keep getting different random passwords. Here you can see first 6 would be alphabets followed by 1 number and 1 is the special symbol. So let me submit the program. So in the next part we'll be seeing on modifying this, on customizing this as to number of letters, the number of characters in the alphabet, the length of the password, and then the giving the number and the special character as options, etc. So we'll be seeing that. So test cases have passed, and that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.